Hey guys, I'm back with another easy DIY video. This one doesn't have any weaving or anything, it's just cutting slits on the front and the back. Now this is one of my favorite shirts, but it's a little plain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this side here. And I'm going to cut slits all the way from here all the way to the bottom, just like my last video with the Valentine's Day shirt. You don't have to be perfect in size. Okay, and then I'm just going to move this over a little bit. Flip it over so I can see where I made those slits previously. And instead of starting up here, I'm just going to go down one row and go in between. And I'm going to do that again, but down here, so then I don't ruin the picture right here. So I'm going to start right here. So I'm just going to fold it in half. And then start right here. And go in between those lines here, like in my last video. Once again, I'm going to do 4 on this one here. And then I'm going to do 2, and then that's going to end it off for the front. And I'm going to do exactly what I did to this shirt. I'm going to do exactly what I did to the front here, to the back. So I'm just going to flip it on the back, and I'm going to start with the middle. Make sure my shirt is right down the middle there by matching up my side seams of my shirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start right here at the top. And once again, once I'm done this row, I'm going to move off to the side here and make my next row. Now I'm not going to do more slits at this this part right here. I'm going to start down by like the armpits. So I'm going to start about here. Go make those slits in between. And like I said, you can do this in any pattern you like. You can do your slits as long as you'd like, or however thick you would like. Now, so it doesn't look like a totally shredded shirt. I'm actually gonna leave it like that because I like the way that this actually looks. Because there's so much happening in the front, I just don't want to do too much to the back. Now, if you wanted, you could do a couple slits up here just to pull the whole shirt together, but I like the way this looks, so I'm just going to keep it at this. Next thing I'm gonna do is try it on and show you what it looks like. So this is what the finished product looks like. You can add more slits, or you can not add more slits. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, then please hit that bell button. And that is it. I hope you like my tutorial.